Still just outside of that potential to state qualifying time, but definitely a huge time drop for him. 4 seconds.
Heat 3 in lane 2, you have Aiden Bacon from Upper Sandusky. In lane 3, you have Logan Bartlett from Lexington. Lane 4 is Jason Lazinx from Huron. Lane 5 is Mason Carnahan from Willard. Lane 6 is Malachi Reeder from Wauseon. Lane 7 is Miles Kuntz from Wauseon. Lane 8 is Carter Luce from Bryan. And in lane 9 is Preston Miller from Perkins. Now, Amanda, as we're looking ahead in this next heat, you have swimmers coming back. You've got Tyler Foster, Cooper Waters, Isaac McFadden, all in the top 5 last year. But we're adding Sam Haug from Van Wert into there. And I have to tell you, I watched Sam swim last weekend.
He swam it last year.
I missed him, but I watched him last weekend, and he is looking amazing. So I'm very interested to see how he places here.
So Megan's talking about, last year, Cooper Waters was our district champion, and he is coming up and will be swimming in this last heat. And then our district runner-up, Tyler Foster, will also be swimming in this last heat. So looking forward to this next heat of this race here.
Malachi Reeder from Wauseon, he is just out there right now.
Malachi is really going for this. He saw that 154 in that last heat, and he said, I'm going to turn this on. So he is strongly leading this event.
Potentially down with our leaders, 150 potentially.
Yep. It's a really nice time for him, 150, 110.